Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. Back with a quick little video. As you can see, we're at the home location today. Gonna do a quick little video. I gotta exchange something on a product, so I thought, why not show the how-to, right? First off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So, as you all know, I am a big fan of the KrazyGood Power Box. So this is the one that I have on my station at the moment. I got the Rebel, the Andes Master, another Rebel, two FX trimmers, and then the FX3 shaver, right? So a lot of people, when they order these, so there's two things. A lot of people don't want to order it because they think that after a while, so they got these with three, where you can get just three, you can get 4 or 6, right? And a lot of people are like, well, what happens when I don't like one of the inserts? I'm gonna have to buy a whole nother power box from KrazyGood. The company is KrazyGood. If y'all been following me, y'all on my Instagram or anything, you'll know I've been hyping them up, right? So I have 3. I have another one too. I have an orange one where it's just the three inserts, right? So the main thing is these boxes are $250. Even the one with the 3 is $135. So let's say, like, I have the like I said, the Rebels, FXs, FX Shaver, and the Andes Master. You can just buy an insert, right? So you don't have to spend another whole $250, almost $300 just to get you another power box. You can just so they have the inserts on the website, and I'll put up a little video real quick. They have the inserts on the website. I think the inserts are $25, right? So you can change it up as often as you want, right? You can also say, so I'm about to swap one of my wall inserts from this one to put in the middle where the Andes is, right? So I got Rebel, and I had the Master there because I do like the copper version of the Andes Master. I do like the way that it's been, but I'm through with it. I'm done, right? So you can get you just the insert. When you order the insert, you can still pick the color. You can still pick whatever clipper or trimmer you want. And then it could just swap into your box, right? So when you order your KrazyGood box, in your KrazyGood box, of course, you would have your charger, right? Along with the charger, if I can find it, along with the charger, you will get this small flathead screwdriver, right? And I'm gonna show you on the other one, but I'm gonna show you how the insert come when you order it, right? So when you order the insert, if I can get this to pop open, there we go. So you order the insert, like I said, you're gonna pick whatever color you want. If I was gonna order another one, I would pick a black, but since I have an extra box, it's just gonna be a red one out of place. It's just good. It's gonna be fine. But this is how it's gonna come. It's gonna come with your insert. You got your connector, which this is, like I said, is for the wall. So you got your connector, and it's gonna already have your charger hookup connected, right? So that's where the flathead screwdriver come in at, right? If I can find where the opening at. All right, there we go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna find, it's like on this one, it was easier to find because it's red, right? You just drive this into one of the corners and pop it up, right? So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I wanna get rid of this Andes Master insert. So I'm gonna drive my screwdriver right in there. If I can get it in there. All right. Got it. Got it. So once you pop it open, it's going to come up like this. All right. So all it is connected. All your wiring is in there, right? Everything is connected. So all you're doing is unhooking that and hooking it into there. That's it. Simple, right? So again, this would be in here like so. You would drive the screwdriver in there, pop it up. Again, it's gonna already be connected. Everything's gonna be, that's one thing about KrazyGood. It's already made for you. You don't have to worry about anything. When you're changing the inserts, you don't have to worry about changing wiring or anything. So you got that insert, boom. You're gonna put it in the way that it goes, first off. So the wall has this little tail on it so it can sit in there, right? So you're just gonna put that in there. Snap. That's it. And now we're ready to go. That's all. So for those who are not wanting to purchase one because you think you might have to change clippers or like when you change clippers, you might have to buy a whole nother box. You don't have to worry about a box. Go to the KrazyGood website, get you an insert, swap it out, right? Very simple. And that's all I wanted to show. I had to change it anyway because I had the Rebel. Like I said, I had the Andis Master. I got tired of it. I'm not using it as much as I thought I was. I do like it, but I'm not using it as much as I thought it was. So I wanted to go back to my magic clip. Boom. We back ready to go now. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can plug it up real quick. I didn't bring the plug from work home. I actually just left it at the shop because I didn't, I wasn't planning on making a video, but I was like, well, since I'm doing it already, why not, all right? I'm about to plug that into the tank. Don't worry about me. All right. We're just plugging it up just to show you. All right. If y'all can, that light is down in there, but you see it? Can y'all see the light? It's charging. I just wanted to show y'all that once you connect it, everything is connected and you're ready to go. All right. Also, by the way, you can use a discount code Cuts by Reggie. Order you a KrazyGood power box, or if you already have one and just need an insert, Cuts by Reggie, discount code, save you some money. All right, so like I said, you don't have to keep buying different KrazyGood power boxes and all that stuff. You ain't got to do all that. You ain't got to worry about that. Once you spend your $250, most people are probably not changing out their clippers and stuff as much as I do. And I actually don't change my main clippers. I just use a lot of other clippers at different times. So that's that. If you need any information on KrazyGood, find them on Instagram. Hit me up on Instagram. I can help you as much as I can at Cuts by Reggie. KrazyGoodLLC on Instagram. Use my discount code Cuts by Reggie. Save you a couple dollars. And yeah. That's that on that. I appreciate y'all for watching the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share the video, dislike the videos if you dislike them. Hey, it's all good, right? And we'll be back with another review, unboxing tutorial or something sometime soon. The barber world of clippers and trimmers and everything is going haywire right now, so I'll be keeping an eye out on whatever is new dropping. All right? Peace.